Hi guys, guess what time it is? Open house Sunday. I am sitting here on the front porch for just a little bit longer because it's way too hot, of my 30 South Stone right here, smack dab in the middle of downtown LaGrange. I don't know if you can see the train station is right there. It'll take you right into downtown in 15 minutes. And it's a beautiful vintage home that has the perfect amount of vintage charm and all of today's amenities that every buyer wants. So if you know somebody looking to buy a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath home in the heart of downtown LaGrange, blocks to the metro station and all of the schools, grade school, middle school, and high school, send them over to see me. I will be here until 3 o'clock today. And that is 30 South Stone in LaGrange. $600,000 gets you into this beauty. Thanks for coming by.